Joining me now is MKM Partners Executive Director Connor Cunningham. Connor, you just, should I say, upgraded the stocks or kind of differentiated your picks today? Thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Kelly. Yeah, we upgraded a United and downgraded a couple of other stocks. Yeah, it's been a challenging start to 2022. Operational issues and staffing shortages are a big issue in the near term. However, you can still kind of paint a relatively positive demand picture come the summer as we kind of move past the peak cases right now. So we're still relatively optimistic about the recovery this year. We expect a modest profit from the industry as a whole and just an overall better mix shift, with business travel and international kind of coming back.
Right, you're looking at those as key catalysts for Delta and United, especially Delta, your top pick. You upgraded United. How far are the airlines, generally speaking, below their all-time highs?
So in terms of demand, I think is what you're asking on the business
or
travel
the stock
side.
price, yeah.
Yeah. So in general, I would just say that business travel is down about 50% exiting 2021. We expect that to gradually improve. We're not expecting a full recovery 2022 by any stretch, but a potential full recovery come 2023. That itself should drive. I would expect overall stock movement this year and next. Again, it's more of a better mix shift than anything else, which will be positive for pricing overall. I've been saying to people that I've been talking to today, like if you haven't bought your ticket prices, if you haven't bought your tickets now, it's probably a good time to start thinking about it because it's going to get expensive next year.
So American is one of the stocks that has the toughest balance sheet, but you actually think has the most potential upside from the recovery this year.
Yeah, I would just say that American itself, its balance sheet can't get much worse. In the near term, they've added quite a bit of debt over the years as they've refleeted. Their refleeting needs are at the end, so they should start to use the excess free cash flow to start to pay down debt from here. They do have a balance sheet story relative to some of the others, so should only get better from here, in my view.
How much upside for the stocks do you foresee for names like Delta and United, or even the ones that you say have compelling cost stories like Alaska and Allegiant?
Yeah, we're thinking potentially 20 to 30% upside this year. Really, again, it's going to come down to how much of the pandemic headwinds kind of ease throughout the summer. Again, come summertime frame, we should be past Omicron at that point. So, should be a decent outlook for the group during their big earnings period. So, there is potential, a significant upside this year, I would say.
All right, Connor, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it.